More news now coming in with the alleged pornography scandal that's now rocked the country, because the application HotShots as an app was facing trouble even before this conversation of Plan B had come. India Today has now that accessed exclusive interaction that was taking place. So what precisely is the information we have now? Even before the HotShot application, with its sexual explicit content, was to be taken down by different platforms, Raj Kundra was ready with a plan B. The plan B was Bolly Fame. He wanted to make Bolly Fame completely a UK-based application so that Indian laws do not touch it. In the new WhatsApp group, Raj Kundra put 4 logos for Bolly Fame. He wanted to take it away from the Indian laws so that, because it is considered illegal here in the country, it would not be touched if it was completely based out of another country. The logo was being discussed to be finalized. The chats that have been accessed by India Today show how Raj Kundra is giving clear instructions to finalize an email address and other issues. Saurav Akhtania has the latest on that. Saurav, why should be this seen as a big news? Because he has rejected allegations for now. He's saying that we did not have pornography content. There's an actor who has come to support him. Why do you think this conversation on our screen right now is very significant and could turn against him?
Well, Pooja, this WhatsApp chats are very important. This is the part of investigation, the evidence which is exclusively accessed by India Today. We have this particular documents and all the WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra, which he cannot deny. First of all, the thing which he's saying that his HotShot app does not have any adult content. There is lot of evidence, there are lot of movies, there is lot of other contents, video evidence, which clearly shows how the Mumbai Crime Branch has a very strong evidence against this particular whole racket. Now, down the line, Pooja, clearly from the WhatsApp chat, we can see that Raj Kundra knew that his HotShot app will be taken down from Google App Store and iOS. And therefore, he wanted to make it to another level. And he knew that somewhere Indian laws will be getting on this particular app. So what he did is, he planned Plan B. And what's the Plan B? That's the Bolly Fame. This particular Bolly Fame, he is also the admin of this particular WhatsApp group. Another Pradeep Bakshi, who is also the relative and wanted accused in this case, and Ryan Thorpe, who is actually the person who got arrested with Raj Kundra. Raj Kundra is giving instruction and saying that how we have to go about. In a particular WhatsApp chat, he says that right now we are buying this particular website for 7.99, but in future, take it in few years, we are going to sell this website for 79 million. And this is how his ambitions plan are actually revealed. First of all, HotShot has adult content, but Pooja, this Bolly Fame actually had any adult content or no? That is part of investigation. We don't have the access to the content of Bolly Fame because it was not on air. It was running actually on a trial basis. He was making this particular Bolly Fame for UK viewers because he knew Indian laws will not allow him.
And
so he's
that
also
is very
giving
interesting.
Instruction to Ryan Thorpe.
Yes, Saurav, what you're telling us is very important, that he had to take it out of the Indian laws. And this is, remember, what we are putting out, what Saurav has these exclusive details are official as per part of investigation. We are not here for conjecture, speculation. So Saurabh has only put out any verified information that he has been accessed by him. Thank you so much, Saurabh.